What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Altcoin Buzz. Today, we're going to take a look at news from around the world of cryptocurrency. So, we got Bitcoin pulling back a bit. Bitcoin dominance is definitely drawing closer to 50%, which is lower than it's been in a long time. And we've crossed the $606 billion mark, or $600 billion mark. So that means the market's gone up, but Bitcoin has not really run away with the show. You just get the idea that at some point Bitcoin will start surging again, but it's really good to see Bitcoin kind of stabilize for a while and just chill out and that money pour over into other altcoins. Some of the altcoins that have been really beneficiaries of that recently, Neo has finally had its moment to surge. So if you've been in Neo for a while, good on you. And we're talking about some of the long-term plays that haven't really done much. Lisk, finally getting its push here, up 100%. Omise Go, up 104%. Qtum, up big time rise for Qtum. Waves is up. Most of these cryptocurrencies are up. H shares up. A lot of big movers here in the market. Verge, obviously, up big time over the week. So yeah, we're seeing a lot of action here. Got our eyes on Electroneum, of course, and then got some big news here for Power Ledger. If you watched our video yesterday, Power Ledger partners with Thai company for distributed renewable energy trading. So they'll be doing, they'll be adding solar panel Power Ledger protocol to several multi-story buildings in Bangkok. So this is big news for Power Ledger. The price of Power Ledger has gone up. So to those of you who've been holding Power Ledger, cool, good on you. Yeah, moving right along here. Litecoin faces key hurdle and pushed back to record highs. So Litecoin obviously sitting at another record high. CoinDesk is kind of giving you an analysis here with the charts, the candles, red and green. The above chart prices on Coinbase show a series of higher lows as represented by an ascending trend line blue. So if you're getting into technical analysis, this article here on CoinDesk can help you to understand it a little bit more. And here's one. Bill Miller's hedge fund has half of its money into Bitcoin. So a hedge fund manager now has half of their money allocated to Bitcoin. So that's if obviously as he proves to be successful, more Wall Street money pours in, and that's really what's driving this market cap way up. This market cap's getting a lot of Wall Street money and other big money. It's not necessarily guys like you and I that are pumping this kind of volume in, but it is. We make up a portion of it. I don't know how much of that money is coming from us and how much is coming from institutional investors, but Wall Street is definitely injecting cash into the cryptocurrency market, and Bitcoin at some point will start to be a major benefactor of that. But it's good to see Bitcoin definitely stabilize. Here's some interesting news. Boeing eyes blockchain in bid to fight GPS spoofing. So this just further solidifies the technology of blockchain, which is at the core is the core technology behind cryptocurrency. And many of these companies are using the cryptocurrency on the blockchain to do crowdsource funding. So Boeing getting in on the blockchain mix, seeing the power of blockchain. If anything, guys, take the time to understand blockchain so that you can understand cryptocurrency. And Warren Buffett, he has some interesting comments to make about Bitcoin, but it's just I'm more or less just waiting to see more comments coming from Warren Buffett. This doesn't really say much here. It's on the Washington Post. It's kind of unique, but there are basically two kinds of assets, elaborated Warren Buffett, who was in his office and not buying Bitcoin the day I called. One you look to the stream of income it will produce. The other, you hope like hell that someone will pay you more for it. The second type is inherently speculative. It includes gold, although gold at least has value as jewelry. It most definitely includes Bitcoin. So Warren Buffett kind of chiming in positively, I guess, about Bitcoin, but it'll be interesting to see what the Oracle of Omaha has to say moving forward about Bitcoin, because he's been one of the most successful investors of the last generation. So yeah, if we just take a look around the rest of the cryptocurrencies to see if there's any buying opportunities as I'm looking at this. Remember, I'm mostly looking here and here for red, Cardano in the red, but it's up big time here. If this doesn't line up, then I stay away. But it's not that there's not great buying opportunities even in these companies that are way up. It's just those are all-time highs. So I'm more or less holding all my positions and not doing too much buying. If I'm looking to do any buying, like I did yesterday, like I talked about yesterday, here was an indication. That's why we made the video. And it's been up 42% over the last 24 hours. So if I just keep cruising through here, looking for red, I'm not going to see much until I get lower on the list. And then those are where the buying opportunities are going to be. Something like this Pura, like you might want to look into that, see what's going on there. Wabi, looks like Wabi's down, maybe a buying opportunity there. I know you guys have been talking about that. I don't know about this ATM chain, but down here is where you might find some buying opportunities. So this is where you can make some long run potential gains. This pillar, maybe you want to take a look at that. I remember looking at that before, and I haven't really looked at it lately. But yeah, I mean, everything's in the green. It's a sea of green, guys. You're looking at a sea of green here. Everything's pretty much up, minus maybe, I mean, less than 10% of the market is in the red. So there's like this open trading. I don't know much about it, but maybe take a look at that. Probably has a very low circulating supply. And yeah, this Bitcore, maybe you take a look at that. The one that's been coming up on my radar lately is pre-search. So, you know, I was talking about Monetha the other day in my videos. This time I'm talking about these guys. And I just took out a position on these. This is just, you know, you can accumulate a lot for a little price, and they got a low circulating supply. So these guys are on my radar, definitely. Like I said, I accumulated some. You can get a lot. You can get a nice handful for I don't know, for under $100, right? So you load up for maybe, I don't know. That's what I did. Put in like $100. Just ride it out for a little while. You know, you can get it on HitBTC or Coin Exchange, whichever one you guys prefer. But it's definitely a hodl. Give it 6 months, see where it's at. See what they can pull off. They're new to the market too. I mean, even if you look here, so they really haven't even had a chance to do anything. But you'll see, like, these are the new cryptocurrencies to the market. And somewhere on there is these guys. See, there's Wabi. So Wabi's brand new. So I mean, price action there is, can't really, yeah, this one's 13 days old. So, and look, the chart hasn't even done anything yet. So a lot of people are asking me about pre-search actually too. So there's definitely getting some interest. So see something low on the list like that with no real moves yet. I mean, if you're looking for a buying opportunity, you might take a look at pre-search. What I'm saying is you can accumulate a lot at a really good price, low circulating supply, and a lot of room to grow into. If the project ends up, you want to do some research on the project, you're going to go on their website though and understand more about them and see what they're up to. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. And if you follow Altcoin Buzz on YouTube, you can follow us on Instagram. Let's see. So we are growing. Yeah, you can follow us here. Altcoin Buzz. You can also follow us on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO. And if you're new to this channel, here you can follow us on YouTube, subscribe, and click the notification button if you like videos like this. So until next time, guys, we'll see you later.